Are you unable to send messages on TikTok using your iPhone? This can happen due to privacy settings, app restrictions, or network issues. No worries! In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix TikTok messages not working or not sending on your iPhone. So, let's get started. Before we move on, make sure you have a stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Now try turning airplane mode on and off. After that, try these advanced solutions. Solution 1. Check your privacy settings. Open up the TikTok app. Now go to your profile. Tap the menu at the top right corner. Select Settings and Privacy. Then tap Privacy. Now tap the Direct Messages option from here. Make sure the setting isn't set to no one. You can choose from everyone, suggested friends, or friends. Solution 2. Offload TikTok app. Open up Settings. Tap on General. Next, tap on iPhone storage. Now scroll down and find the TikTok app. Tap on TikTok. Then tap Offload. Again, tap Offload. After that, tap Reinstall it. If still you have the same issue, then follow my next solution. Solution 3. Update the TikTok app. Open up the App Store. Tap on the search icon from below. Type TikTok. Tap on TikTok from here. If you see any updates available there, then simply tap and update the TikTok app. Check your issue to see whether it is solved or not. Solution 4. Reset network settings. Open Settings. Tap General. Scroll down. Then tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. After that, tap Reset. Now tap Reset Network Settings. Then enter the passcode of your iPhone if it needs. Tap Reset Network Settings again. After resetting the network, go ahead and check whether your problem is solved or not. Hope it works. If you have anything to know or any suggestions, feel free to ask us. Hope it works. If you have anything to know, feel free to ask us in the comment. Hope it works. If you have anything to know, feel free to ask in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Goodbye for now.